Hey everyone, if you need your Canva design in Notion right now without messing around with account permissions, there's a faster way. By using Canva's Smart Embed feature, you can drop a live, high-resolution version of your work into any page in seconds. Let's grab the link and get it live. Step 1. Locate the Embed option in Canva. Open the design you're working on in Canva. Head to the top right and click Share. You're looking for the More button at the bottom of that menu. Once you click it, a search bar will appear. Type in Embed and click the icon with the 2 brackets. This is the secret to getting a link that Notion actually recognizes as a live widget. Step 2. Generate the Smart Embed link. Canva will now ask you to make the design public to generate the link. Click the blue Embed button to confirm. You'll see 2 options, an HTML code and a Smart Embed link. We want the Smart Embed link. Click Copy next to that URL. This specific link is designed to work with platforms like Notion to show a beautiful preview instead of just a boring text link. Step 3. Paste and create embed in Notion. Jump over to your Notion page. Find where you want the design to go and simply paste, Ctrl-V or Command-V, that link. A small menu will pop up immediately. Don't just leave it as a link. Select the option that says Create Embed. In a second, your Canva design will bloom into a full-sized interactive block right on your page. Step 4. Customizing the frame. Now let's polish the look. Hover over the embed to see the black bars on the edges. You can drag these to resize the design. If it's a presentation, you can even use the arrows at the bottom of the embed to flip through your slides without ever leaving Notion. This is perfect for mood boards, project pitches, or even just keeping your brand assets handy. Step 5. The benefit of live updates. The best part? This link is smart for a reason. If you go back to Canva and change a font, swap an image, or update a price, those changes will show up in Notion automatically the next time you open the page. No re-exporting, no re-uploading. It's a permanent live bridge between your creative and your notes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.